think I passed Ang Thong and getting a quick break, get a water break, make sure everything's good on the bike. I have a lot of luggage. It's warming up. Warming up. This is the first gas station, so there's a lot of people here. Not sure if you guys recognize this. I got a quick breakfast. This is my Thai breakfast. Not bad. All right, man. So my luggage in the back is. See how the sword is angled back? I thought I fixed it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out and the tripod stand, and then I'm going to strap the sword and I'm going to pull it in. That is a good for you. Take it apart. Everything seems to be fine. I'm going to fill up my water. Got that all sorted out. It's sturdy now. You see the angle? It's back up. It's not slanting way back. It's up now. I thought I fixed it again. I didn't realize that it wasn't fixed. It's hot. It's really hot. Stay hydrated. This is Pete Man. He was going there to check on the place. He said, no go, it's flooded. So he's brought me here. Okay.